I hope you're all having a good day today. We have an awesome project. We have been trying to flip bikes for the last few months and it hasn't been working out because there's just been no bikes for sale. But we struck it rich, I think, on this one. We found this bike that we're gonna flip today. Let me walk you through everything that it has and tell you all the prices, break it all down, and show you what we're gonna do with it. This is a Specialized Stumpjumper, 2014. We picked this bike up for $250. And on the Facebook Marketplace right now, if this bike works, it sells for at least $1,000, maybe up to $1,200. When we first got this bike, the brakes didn't work. Obviously there's still no pedals. This shock completely broke in my hands as we went to pick it up. It like fell apart, all the pieces in my hands, and it oozed goo all over me. The derailleur and the hanger were all bent, the chain was worn out, and the dropper post here wouldn't go up or down. So we ran into the bike shop and said, hey, we just want you to fix the shock and the dropper post. They had to send this out to Fox to get it redone. And then while that was being done, they fixed the dropper post for us. Turns out it just needed air. So there's a little air pump down in here. We pumped it up full of air and now it's rocking. And they charged us $160 to get that done. I bled the brakes with some equipment that I already had here. So these brakes are now working actually really well. We went ahead and bought a new derailleur hanger because that was bent, pedals and grips. And we're gonna throw those on and see if this bike rides. We're taking this derailleur hanger off. This one was really bent up pretty bad, so it wouldn't keep the derailleur in alignment. And so we're gonna replace this, but the bike shop told me, hey, in a really bad pinch, I could always bend this back maybe again, so throw this in my parts bin and don't lose it. So that's what we're gonna do. So here is the new derailleur hanger. So now we just bolt the new derailleur on. Next step is we just have this little rubber gasket part that you just pull off, and then you slide the new shift cable right inside there. There we are. And so between all that, we were at $500. The only thing that we haven't done yet is we put on some cheap pedals because we're trying to figure out if we want yellow or green pedals. Other than that, this bike rides awesome. We're taking it out tonight for a test ride. We're gonna do a little time trial to see how fast it is. But first impressions, what do you think?
I love it.
You just got a new bike.
Yeah, I did.
You can't have more bikes.
I need more bikes.
The thing that's scary is Andrew bought a new bike about 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago.
It's more like a month.
Okay, a month ago, and he's already outgrowing it. Like, don't get me started. Anyway, beautiful night tonight, very smoky, but we're getting a good ride in. So we're gonna take you along with us as we get a good test ride going, and you guys tell us what you think. Should we sell it or should we keep it?
That was unexpected. Dude, that twisty stuff was fun.
It didn't take us very long to get down. It's like 2 miles to come down, maybe a little bit more. The downhill segment that we just did, 2 miles in length. and a 650-foot descent. My previous fastest time was 7:57, which is an average of 15.3 miles per hour. And on today's new bike, my first time ever on that bike, my time was 7:44. I beat it by 13 seconds. Average of 15.8 miles per hour. So, there you go. The bike's not bad. I gotta say, I'm pretty a little more impressed now. All the mountain bikers are coming out now that the sun's gone down.
Yeah, it's so much cooler.
It is so much cooler.
It felt nice when we were coming down.
Super pretty night. It's just awesome to be out on the trail together. I think this mountain bike was a great find. We're gonna have to get it out for a few more rides and see if we really are gonna keep it or not, but you guys tell us in the comments. Is this a keeper or is this a seller to upgrade to something else? Anyway, let us know. We'll see you guys next time.